foam, or the little packaging. Oh wow, look at those. My custom elite socks with my number on. Second pair here. I'm gonna rock these for basketball this season. I'm gonna take the wrapper off so you can see it better. The receipt. These are actually a lot of money. It doesn't say on here, but they're like $27. It's kind of a lot for a sock. Term slip. And then a box. Okay, so I'm just gonna open these. Wow. So they're purple and yellow. They're Kobe socks. And then say 23 and Keon, because I'm going to Waukee. So these are some pretty dope socks. Be able to rock those. Then these other ones. They're the KD Electric Eel socks. Gray. I thought I should get a neutral color. Then they say 23 and coupe on them. Thought that could be more normal. I don't know if I'm gonna open these up for a while until my first game. So, thanks for watching. Go follow me on Instagram at Reese.Cooper and my Kicks account, Kicks the Ball. KICKSTABALL. Thanks.